IVM.
Hello to the 300 people who listen to IVM Likes. I am Zalaksha and I am joined by my co-host Antariksh Thakkar. How are you?
Hello, I am great, Zalak. Thanks for having me back on the show as a co-host. Very nice to see you again.
Really nice to see you.
Yeah, who's joining us today, Zalak? What's happening?
We have the hosts of News Kids on the Block, Anya, Kavya, and Trivik. Hi guys.
Yippee!
Yes, we do.
Hi,
The-
IVM like.
are-
Hello.
We have the news kids.
Yes.
It's news. They're on our show. I'm like,
It's their debut.
and we are
Many more to go.
Yeah, we are on the block. I don't know how it works. News kids on the block. All right, going through mental block. I guess I don't know. All right. Welcome, guys. Welcome
Cool.
so much. Welcome to this show. This is a very relaxed, casual pop culture podcast where Zalak and I have people on who have been doing podcasting at IVM for a while, and we talk to them about like cool things that maybe we've seen in the year, maybe we want to check out upcoming. Last couple of episodes we talked about the best movies we saw this year, or what was before that?
Podcast,
We did Marvel. We did like a
Yeah.
whole thing about Marvel, the Marvel Cinematic Universe. That was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Today we have Kavya, Anya, and Trivik from News Kids on the Block. They're the hosts of News Kids on the Block on the IVM Podcast Network. Welcome, guys. What is happening? How are you guys doing? Kavya, can we start with you?
I'm good. I'm slightly tired because I had a sleepover last night and I didn't really get much sleep.
Oh,
But
man,
I'm really
You're too
Ironic,
young to be
isn't
hungover.
it?
I'm just saying. You can't say you're
Ironic, isn't
hungover.
it, Kavya?
Yeah.
yeah, but I'm excited to be here. Thank you for having us.
Okay, awesome. Anya, what's it
Hi.
like to be on another podcast? I don't know.
It's very exciting. It's just very exciting. I'm so excited.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, that's all we want to hear. And Trivik,
Yeah, I know.
yeah, Trivik always looks very excited. I can tell. he's
Vivek is
also-
always excited.
Yeah. Sure. All right. Thank you so much, guys. This is going to be a podcast, an episode about basically Christmas. Like Christmas is right around the corner. This episode will come out on the 24th of this year. And so we're going to be talking about everything Christmas related, like our Christmas traditions, the movies we like, the shows maybe that we were into around Christmas time. What your recommendations would be for people attending or going through Christmas in 2021, and a lot more along those lines. So all of that coming right after this very short break.
$100. That's all it takes to begin your journey with Bitcoin and Ethereum. No, really. With CoinSwitch, you can start investing in over 100 cryptocurrencies with just 100 rupees. On top of that, there are zero charges for deposits and withdrawals, so you can trade, buy, sell, however and whenever you want. All of this, plus their extremely intuitive interface, makes CoinSwitch the perfect app for beginners in the crypto space. But don't take my word for it. Just download CoinSwitch for free and try it out for yourself. If you'd like more information on cryptocurrencies, tune into a show about crypto with me, Rohan Joshi, my new adventure on IVM Podcasts. CoinSwitch, kuch to badlega.
And we're back talking to Anya, Kavya, and Trivik. Kavya and Anya, do people get your names confused?
No, like they're very different names. So
Yeah, but
I'll be a little concerned if someone did get them confused.
See, no, Kavya is a very identifiable person because of her
Thank
main
you.
personality. Because of her main personality
Her
trait.
height.
My
What
name
I-
is my
That's her main
yeah,
personality trait. Her height.
no, but that looks like more of a comment on Anya than on Kavya. That Anya's not as recognizable. Like what?
No, the woman's like really short. Like,
Oh, like that.
Yeah, it's like my only identifying trait now.
yeah, it's like, it's that and Taylor Swift. Like, there's nothing else.
She's the short one who likes Taylor Swift.
Precisely.
Okay, cool. Nice. Have you guys had Christmas traditions? Okay, what are your plans this year, by the way? Are you guys...
Well, I was planning to just watch football through the break, but now the Omicron virus is slightly messing with my plans.
I mean, you can still watch it. I don't
Yeah.
know.
I mean,
No, as in all the
None of
game.
that.
No, the games are getting suspended.
Oh, damn.
Oh.
Okay.
oh,
Yeah, I
That's
didn't
sad.
think of that.
watch cricket.
That's how little I am
Watch
into...
cricket. That's how you can solve this problem.
So I
Trivik,
think
are
we
you-
have a cricket fan in the house, one football fan, and one Swiftie.
Yeah.
Yeah, that,
Essentially, no.
yeah.
That's an interesting combo. That's a really interesting
It's
combo.
quite intense.
Hey, you have a non-sports fan also. Just saying.
Oh,
There
that
are
was
there
me
are
like
all
one.
kinds of people.
That was me like 1 year ago.
And
And
now,
then coronavirus.
Okay, but then now what are you into? What sport are you into again?
So like I got really into cricket, like to a point where I even went for like cricket training and everything.
What?
Oh,
Like I
that's
really got
interesting.
into it. Like I can tell you the history of like every player and like name like
Wow.
random stats, and it's quite concerning.
What? In 1 year you went through all this?
Yeah, because I see there was like this thing where I was like on my bucket list, I wanted to follow a sports league. I didn't care what league it was. It
So it was
could
the
have been
IPL.
football. And then the IPL just showed up and I was like, yeah, I know
Hey, that
MI and
works out.
Mumbai Indians. So I was
Nice.
like, okay, let's do this.
Okay, so who's your favorite team right now? Like, who do you support?
I mean, like India, like obviously, like so
No,
not-
India,
I
No,
don't
no,
wanna
like
get, like,
IPL.
killed.
I was talking about
Uh,
IPL.
Oh, okay, I like.
No, no.
don't wanna
I
get
know you can
killed.
support Pakistan. Go
I
right
don't wanna
ahead.
get killed.
Yeah. The Mumbai Pakistanis. That's what I like.
I like Delhi a lot. I do like Rajasthan just because they are Rajasthan, and like I think that like as a team they've like done a lot of good. And I hope that like that kind of translates in the future. Yeah, I think those are my
But she
kind of
also
top
likes
two.
Rajasthan for another reason. But
Mm.
Let's
Oh,
not. Let's
there's,
Kavya, why you gotta do
some-
me like
There's
that?
some lovey
We
angle.
have to talk
That's
Because
what
of the
sense.
good juice.
That's
It's
the
because
sense I'm
of the
getting.
good juice. It's because of the good juice. Okay, it's always the good juice.
Okay, Kavya, Anya's mom, if you're listening, it's because of the good juice.
Yes.
Nothing else. No other
But
reason.
my mom's not good juice. My dad is.
Oh, really? Okay, so Anya's dad, if you're listening. That's about it. Okay, so yeah, what are your plans? So you're planning to watch football this year, Trivik, and it may or may not happen, is it? Because of the Omicron virus?
Yep, the new variant.
Goddamn
But
variant, dude.
no, I was also gonna see. I've already watched Spider-Man twice since it's come out. I'm going for the
What?
third time. Going for the third time tonight.
oh my god.
Are
What?
Oh
you-
my god.
What are you
Different-
going through?
Different friend
He's
groups.
literally gone 3 days, 3 days back to back. He's gone every day.
Wow, you can literally do the Spider-Man meme with yourself. Parallel timelines, 3 different times. Watching this, great.
By the way-
What do you think of the movie, though? By the way,
I think it's a 10 out of 10 movie.
dude, fantastic, right? So-
I think easily the best Marvel movie.
Dude,
for
you know,
me.
so I was thinking, like, after when Endgame came out, or whatever, 2.5, 3 years back, when it
yeah,
was,
like
I was like, dude, how can they top that? What an
Exactly.
atmosphere they created in the theaters. Everyone's hooting at the screen and going crazy. I thought, how can they match that, dude? And this was similar, man. At least post pandemic, it was as close as I could get. Like, because in the theater I was in, people were going crazy. People like standing up in the last row was at least 3-4 people in the last row standing up. Like a few people here and there. Even though we were like one seat apart, it was great, infectious atmosphere. A lot of fun. You know what happened to Zalak? Zalak has a very interesting story about Spider-Man. Zalak, did you watch Spider-Man?
I can't. I'm too sad to talk about it.
But
I'm
wait,
too
did
sad.
you watch it? Did you book a ticket? Zalak, what happened, Zalak?
yeah.
I booked a ticket, so I was supposed to go on Saturday, but I couldn't
Wait,
because I got sick.
What?
Yeah.
I
What is this
also got
watered
sick
down
on-
version of events, Zalak?
Oh,
Wait, Zalak, does your family listen to this show?
My mother occasionally does, but like she knows about it, so it's fine.
Oh, she knows.
No,
Okay, so,
yeah.
then I guess you can be honest then, man. That's fine. Yeah,
I was basically hungover. I was
she was
too
hungover, guys. And she was like, okay, I'm not going to Spider-Man. Because
I couldn't get out of my bed. I couldn't.
Don't do drugs.
I
Wait
am not
until you're
doing drugs.
18.
I'm
Wait
not-
until you're 18.
But this
Don't do.
is alcohol,
News.
guys.
Yeah.
Hungover
News
is
kids,
hungover and
news
alcohol.
kids on the block. Kids
Yeah, we're
being
not
the
promoting,
operative
guys.
word.
Zalak
Don't
is saying,
promote.
Zalak is saying, if you want to watch Spider-Man, don't drink alcohol.
Don't drink
That's the
alcohol.
lesson.
That's my suggestion. That's
Yeah.
my recommendation.
Yeah, that's a recommendation for today. All right. So, Anya, what are your plans? Yeah.
I think there are like 3 or 4 nights in a row where there are just like events with like family and some friends, and I feel like this is just an excuse to meet people. Like we don't even like celebrate Christmas per se.
Yeah. Correct.
It's just like let's go, let's eat food.
Yeah, that's
Um,
actually like, do you guys have the gifting thing in your friend circles?
We do. So the thing is, like, I love presents. Okay, like
Okay.
I hate to admit this, but like, it's a very true thing. I'm a very materialistic person. Like, you give me presents, and I will love you. Okay.
Okay.
And then I like buying people presents, but I will never buy them like a pretty thoughtful present. It'd be like a cheap, like really cheap gift that like will brighten up their life, if you will. Like we did Secret Santa in school. So a
Yeah.
friend of mine and I, we have this weird inside joke about the song Abhi Na Jao Chhodkar from like this really old movie.
Mhm.
And so the movie's called Hum Dono. So I like cropped out the actors' faces and put our faces on it. And that was my gift to her. And she
Wow.
keeps it on her bedside table.
Oh,
I
that's
saw
so
this.
sweet,
It was a little concerning, but
that you have
the
so much
best
free
is-
time.
No,
to
like
go
it took me
Photoshop
10 minutes to
or
do
take
it.
notes.
It took me
Yeah.
like 10 minutes. And the best part was the photo that I used of myself. It was of me and another friend. So like there's an arm around me, like there's supposed to be an arm. And then, but then after I printed it and I gave it to her, we were analyzing it. We were like, oh shit, now there's 2 arms around Anya. What is going on?
Wait, this was this year? This was this year?
Like last Tuesday, like a week
Oh,
from
last
today.
Tuesday.
Yesterday, yeah.
Oh.
Are you guys
tomorrow.
also part of Kavya? Trivik, are you guys part of some Secret Santa this year?
No, we didn't do one this year.
Yeah,
But
man,
we generally,
I
we
know.
normally do in school, but this year we
Okay.
didn't do it.
No, we have one in office. And
Yeah.
Zalak, have you already thought of what gift you're giving your Secret Santa?
So I haven't checked the name yet.
What?
I just
Bro.
want to do
You
it
don't know
last
who
minute.
the person is?
No, I'm gonna do it last minute.
How do you know if they like the gift at all then,
I
man?
don't know. It's a surprise then.
You need to put more effort into them. Is it a surprise to them or surprise to you?
I have
Both,
to
I guess.
surprise them.
yeah.
I guess. Yeah.
But you'll also be surprised now. You don't know who the
Yeah.
person is.
Yeah. Even I have put nothing on my wish list. I want to be surprised.
Oh, wait, there's a wish list we can make? What?
Yeah.
I didn't even know this. I just
It's
just
okay
bought
though.
what I
Like
thought was the-
last minute gifts are the best. Like this one
Yeah.
of my friends, he had someone and he was like, I don't know what to buy this boy. And so we were on the phone at like 12 o'clock on the night before like Secret Santa was happening. And then he comes to school with like this like plastic Hamleys bag and like he opens it and he gives it. And it's got nothing with Hamleys. He's given this kid like recently started going to the gym. So there's like 17 different kinds of protein bars and an LGBTQ flag. Like that was the gift.
Wow.
Yeah, that's a good suggestion. I can do that.
Yeah.
I guess.
Like I think I was thinking a good gift would be like if you have like a restaurant that you like, right? Like your favorite restaurant. Give them like a gift voucher to your favorite restaurant. Like have like a good one meal, go take a +1 or something. I think that's a good gift. Just putting it out there.
I think you should. The best gifts are like when you go on Amazon and search up like gag gifts. Like there's this one thing which is like a hit every time. You just put it in your toilet bowl, and every time there's motion near the toilet, it lights up the toilet bowl. It's like the most incredible thing ever, and it's like quite cheap also. Like it's everyone should buy that.
Wait, it lights up the
Okay.
toilet bowl as in
Yeah,
like
like you attach it. You know,
LEDs. Okay.
yes, literally, like in the toilet bowl, and then every time there's like motion around. So if you're entering, or if like you flush or whatever, there's just like it lights up, and it's like a full-on disco, like in the.
you know what I'm
it's
thinking?
Very
You know,
entertaining.
you know what I have in my head is when I was smaller, when I was younger, I had one of those piggy banks with those skeleton hands that comes out from the toilet and takes the money inside. Do you guys ever have that? Have you guys ever seen the one
Mm.
Yeah.
I'm talking about? Yeah. So that's what I'm imagining. Like putting in money and there's like an actual skeleton hand that comes out of an actual size toilet and then switches on the lights and stuff. That's what
No. It's like just one little device that you like put like those weird toilet freshener thingies that you like
Yeah.
attach on the side.
Yeah,
On the
correct.
side like that, yeah.
And
That's the fun
I'm always
one. Cool.
concerned someone will pee on them or something.
Oh my
or
God.
worse.
No,
you know?
but like it like flushes and stuff. It's like quite cool. It's quite entertaining. People
Okay.
like fought over it.
I actually
Wow.
have for Christmas. I had one. I don't really like. I'm a past toys. I am 14. I know it's new kids on the block.
Okay.
There's one thing I wanted, which is the automatic jet spray. Which after you finish your
You mean the bidet? It's called a bidet.
a bidet, yes, what
Okay.
and a
Jet
bidet and whatnot.
spray.
I wanted the
Kid.
the one which washes yourself for you rather than you having to do
Sure.
it man. They have it in my grandparents' house. I know it's kind of an old person thing, but I think it would be.
I
bad.
kind of man, wait, I don't know why we went this route. But I
Deck
kind
the balls with what I don't know how to say.
of so jolly. What?
La 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 la.
Yeah. Anyway, let's just move on from that topic.
Okay.
But I would say
Yeah.
I like the hand bidet more than the actual like because in one you can just let's not. Wait,
We still
I
have to
think
ask
this is-
Kavya what are
Let's
plans?
move.
Kavya, yes.
Kavya, do you have?
My plans. So I can't say I celebrate Christmas that much because I don't
Sure.
like do anything related to like Christmas in general. But I think it's just the spirit that I like, and everyone's just happy and like this. The spirit is very nice. But my actual plan. So I'm going for a wedding.
Oh wow, that's cool.
Actually no, I'm not going for a.
Is it a-
While I'm here for Christmas, but then I'm going for a wedding after that.
Is it a Christian wedding or is it like a
No, it's
Hindu
like
wedding?
a Hindu wedding.
Okay, cool.
I'm going to Bangalore for that.
Okay, fun man.
So
That's nice.
yeah, and then I'll be there for the New Year, which is fun.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, that's a good plan. Better than mine.
Zalak is plans to watch hopefully Spider-Man again and not
Yeah,
get
yeah,
on
on
movie.
Friday. Yeah,
Is that again
That's
when
the
you're
plan.
planning to go? Is it Friday?
Friday.
And the original
Yeah.
date was also Friday?
No, I was gonna go on Saturday.
Oh, okay. Okay,
Yeah.
cool. So I plan to go watch Spider-Man again, but at the drive-in theater, the new drive-in theater in BKC. Finally booking tickets. for that.
Sorry, I have to ask this. What is the point of rewatching a movie that you watched like 10 hours
Yeah,
ago?
just read the Wikipedia
No,
page.
yeah, exactly. I know.
Like
I know,
I understand if you watch it like a few months
So-
later, but like 2 days after you watched it, what's the point of watching it again?
It's like
But
that
that's
guy,
exactly
you
the
know.
point. No, like when see you watch movies again and again in the beginning when they're out, not when it's done. In the beginning,
Isn't
when
there
it's
like
out,
a
especially.
story of this guy who like went and every day for like 2 years and watched like DDLJ at that theater, like when it came out.
Wow, really?
Maratha
Yeah,
Mandir.
I'm sorry,
and
he
he
just
just
slept
went
half
to
the time.
DDLJ like every day, and I was just like, okay, good for you.
He just went to sleep, I think,
I
at
mean,
that point.
DDLJ.
That's too much.
Yeah.
Every single day is too much.
No,
DDLJ
he
though,
did. He went there for like whatever it was on top of some list
Yeah.
for like 50 days or 50 weeks or something, and he went
Wow.
like every day and like he
That's
purchased
crazy.
a ticket, and apparently there's like a scrapbook with all of his tickets or something.
Wow, man, what a guy. That's he should be like the brand ambassador for DDLJ if they ever need one.
I
Not that
know they can
that
just tell him,
movie of all
like-
movies does not need a brand ambassador, but yes.
But like I mean, whatever his name is, Jile apni zindagi, bro.
Yeah.
Like-
Yeah, really, dude. Go live a life, man. Don't come back.
No, I genuinely I do like rewatching movies.
Yeah.
But after a few months or something, not like one
I get
day
it.
after
No.
I watched it.
So for event movies like these, I think what happens is, again, as I said, like the environment that is in the theater is just so infectious and so great.
Yeah.
So I think that's why you want to go like Trivik. He wants to go again and again in the first week or so that it's out, because otherwise all that will also die down and
Yeah.
all the rewatches will come out of the.
It just seems like a waste of money, like to like spend like
Hey,
on this
I
stuff,
think it's a
and
great
then
investment.
it's just like, geez, okay, like
No, I think it's a great
I
investment.
wouldn't call it
It'll-
a waste
Yeah.
of money.
See,
fine.
these
No, not to
experiences-
rewatch it. They rewatch it. Like,
No, still, it's
I'm
not a
not-
waste of money. It's
Yeah.
just a different feeling you will never get again.
The first
it's-
time seeing
can't
it
relate.
was-
Never rewatch them.
I don't know how to describe it without spoiling anything. So everyone go watch it so I can talk about it next time. I'm here.
Yeah, let's talk about it again.
I already know like all the spoilers because I'm not going to bother watching it because I have no interest whatsoever. I'm not going to say anything, I promise. But I already know whatever spoily stuff happens.
I have a friend who went and watched it and he like leaked 3 seconds of the movie. So I called the friend he was with and I was like, can you make this boy take it down? Like he's ruined the movie already.
Yeah, why would he do that?
Oh my
I
God.
don't
People
know.
don't-
This
people don't get it.
kid.
You don't get it. Okay, how old was he? Was
Oh, he's
your-
like my age. He's like in my class.
Okay. That's,
So I was just like quoting, like I was like, this is like you're like illegally streaming movies. You can go to jail for this.
I was saying I still illegally stream movies sometimes. Just being completely honest. Kavya, please go.
Yeah,
No, I was saying we talked about this before, but I genuinely am a person that needs spoilers. Like I need to know what's going to happen.
Oh, I am completely
Wikipedia
the opposite.
page.
Yeah,
completely
but
opposite.
I don't get that at all. I would never want a spoiler, and I would never want to
Yeah.
spoil something for someone. So whenever
Yeah, same.
whenever my friends ask me about stuff that I've seen and they're excited to see, I always ask them. So I'm sure I don't think I should tell you, man. It'll just be a spoiler. Anything I say would be a spoiler. I recluse myself.
In fact, I also prefer not watching the trailer just so that I get
Oh,
surprised.
that becomes difficult because
Yeah.
of how much you're waiting for that thing. So like anything about
I can
this,
do that, I think.
That's
But
very
I want to
cool.
be
I know-
surprised.
I commend that. Yeah.
You didn't watch the Spider-Man trailer?
I did it. Spider-Man,
yeah,
I could not.
Everyone has to talk it
That's-
after that.
Yeah, exactly.
No, actually, for the Spider-Man movie, I tried so hard to block out every spoiler I could. I removed all social media from my phone, but I kind of buckled and downloaded it again.
Hmm.
I was 48 minutes away from the movie before someone posted a very spoiling image on their Instagram story, and I was
Man, what
broken.
jokes. Man, why would they do
Bad
that, dude?
people.
I don't.
Yeah.
I don't know. Get what joy it gives people to spoil the
Yeah,
movie.
dude. Exactly. I mean, talk about it in a month. Hey, wasn't that cool when that happened in that movie?
Yeah.
Why
well,
instantly?
okay. You know what? I that has really scarred me, and I'm gonna turn to the dark side. Iron Man dies in Endgame. Everyone, just saying. That's a spoiler.
Oh my God, I got so scared for a second.
Hey, and he dies again in Spider-Man 3.
Deja
Just saying. He comes back to life and they kill him all over again. Yeah, see,
Oh,
Doctor
really?
Strange is there. And this was,
How strange.
yeah.
Let's talk. Let's come back to this.
Okay,
Let's do
sure.
that.
Let's come back to the Christmas thing. We all know now what you guys are doing. Kavya, did you say what you were doing on Christmas? You're doing it for a wedding.
I mean, for
Yeah.
Christmas, I don't really have anything special planned.
Sure.
Do you guys have any Christmas traditions of your own, or like with your friends or with the family
So
that you do?
usually we are always not. I think before COVID struck, I don't remember much about what we used to do before that. But we used to have our cousins in India, and they live in America. In like the US, like in Michigan, whatever. And they used to say they've been brought up on white Christmases where they would do the tree stuff, they would do the
Like snow
know,
and stuff, right?
the snow and stuff. But
That's a white
But-
Christmas, isn't it? Or white
yeah,
Christmas?
yeah.
I mean, if you're in Michigan, there are other ways. Sorry.
Sure. I mean,
Well-
that's you can get in India also, man. It's not a thing. Again, guys, you guys are too young to know these things.
So they used to they every year they would come to India around Christmas time, and we would actually follow that presents tradition. Obviously it was a bit late for me but the younger cousins would all have gifts and stuff. I would like the last gift I received was a Fortnite gift card. So you can
Okay,
realize
wow.
the last time I got a gift was quite a long
Man,
time.
I remember a Christmas when I was like way young, right? Like in second, third standard or something. And literally, so at my house, we're all Hindus. So we don't really celebrate Christmas either. But when we were younger, our parents used to try and sell that Santa's real. And they used to put presents under our pillows, right? And one year, I'm not even kidding, one year I had a Santa figurine as a Christmas gift, which is the most stupidest. Why would anyone gift you a Santa figurine of Santa? Like, this is what the person who gave you this gift, this is what I look like. Basically, Santa tell you, hey, what's the point?
Here's my merchandise.
Yeah, exactly. Did you guys ever think Santa was real? Were you guys
I
ever-
never
Yeah.
thought Santa was real.
I believe
I-
Santa was here until a pretty late age, actually, and then like something
Really?
really interesting happened that made me realize
What's the
that.
story?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
basically, I had a tooth fairy and Santa belief. I believed in both of them,
Wow.
and I
So
used to get
American
every
of
time
you.
every time I lost a tooth, I
Michigan
used to
be
get
like-
Michigan, White Christmas in Michigan.
there used to be like my Santa and tooth fairy used to write like notes in this fancy, very curvy handwriting. Okay, so then I think when I was like 9, I was looking for something in my mom's cupboard, and I found all the notes that I written to Santa for my wish lists and everything
Wow.
like that. It's all lying there. Okay, and I'd heard
Wow.
from people, no, Santa is not real and tooth fairy is not real and all that, but I was like, no, they're
With
real.
the tooth fairy, once
I'm
again,
using
like
to believe
my
anything
nothing
else.
beats my tooth fairy story. Like I used to leave notes under my pillow with the tooth, and I used to get replies in the morning and shit.
Do you try
And
to
then
bargain with her? Hey,
I
no,
don't.
this
Once
tooth
again,
is
I
at least
don't think you
at least
understand. No,
$2.
you're not.
At
And
least
then
five.
one day, I was like a really like interesting child. So one day, I asked the tooth fairy for its email ID, and basically they gave me an email ID. It was toothika9 at gmail.com. And like I used to email a tooth fairy who's actually my father, and my father knew all of 5-6-year-old me's like life problems as
Wait.
the tooth fairy.
The email was Tuthika?
TOOTHIKA, the letter K9 at
Nine.
gmail.com.
That's
This is the
hilarious.
most epic story I've heard
That's
on
very
It
IBM.
was
funny.
really
Wow.
quite
Oh,
something.
that's very elaborate, man. Yeah, I commendable your
Like,
dad.
it was really, and this went on till I was like 10 or 11 years old. And then, like,
Wow.
eventually, I was like
You're
I
telling,
knew it wasn't
you're telling the
real.
tooth fairy all your dirty secrets.
Yeah,
And your dad
like,
is the
I
other
had
end.
beef with like
Damn it.
kids. I had beef with kids. I like hit someone with dal chawal, and he knew like all of it. I was like, okay,
Oh God. Well, that's genius, man. Wow.
I
Great-
know.
You know what?
Great parenting tips.
I've actually started a email ID for my nephew. So my nephew is 1.5 years old-ish. So last year I started an email ID for him, and whenever there are any big moments in his life, or his like whatever he said my name for the first time, whatever, I take a picture of that or like a video and I send it to him on email. And I'm thinking of gifting the password to him on his 18th birthday or something.
Oh wow.
My
That's
dad
so
did that.
cute.
My
Yeah, but
dad
you will
did that
lose
for
it.
me.
You will lose it
I
before he's
know.
18. Yeah.
I don't think so.
No, you will. Yeah.
Write the password down
Yeah.
somewhere.
Yeah. You at one point there'll come a point like after a month or something you'll be like who'll send more updates now.
That's
I
a
just-
really cute idea.
Yeah,
Yeah.
my dad used to do that. So every year on my birthday or around my birthday, my dad would be in the US for like a conference, and it just happened to like be those dates. So I have like letters from like I was 1 to like definitely till I was 12, and then after
Wow.
that like they became erratic of like just him like talking to me, and then I read them now and they're like really iconic. Like some of those are just the things I've done as a child. Very concerning. Very concerning.
What are the best gifts you ever got? It can be for a Secret Santa or like at home for Christmas when you were younger. I'm imagining.
No, so the earliest gift I ever remember getting was a cycle from a company called Mongoose.
Oh,
And
wow.
it was a
Wow.
two-wheeler cycle, and it was the first one I'd ever had. And I remember the first time my dad went to teach me how to teach me how to cycle on two wheels. And I was like, I think around 6 or 7 at the time.
Okay.
And I got on the bike, and then so my dad is not he's not very like he's an amazing person, but when it comes to things teaching me stuff, there is
He's not an
always-
amazing person.
he's not
Sorry,
an
uncle.
amazing. Like even when he's teaching me math to this day, if he's trying to tell me something and I'm not getting it, I will be crying because this learning math from Appa is a different story, and
Man,
the cycling
that
follow the same
that
route.
hits home. Yeah.
I ended that day in like I could not cycle for the whole day, and then he just let go and I fell. It was my first day learning how to cycle.
Imagine if he does that
enjoyed
while when you.
that.
Imagine if he does that when you're driving. Just kill those people.
No,
Man.
I
Dad,
was
what are you doing?
I will go down that compound, and I was still like, it was a concrete floor, and I was just cycling along. He was like holding the thing, right? It was my first time. He just let go. And I know normally in all the movies, people, they end up cycling the glory.
Yeah.
And, they have this confidence. And they're like, oh, you did it. I fell flat on my face.
On your face?
My dad loves cycling. Like, he goes for like crazy trips, like to Sikkim, and like he's done Bombay to Delhi and in 3 days, and like all of this like crazy stuff, right?
Wait,
and
means cycling?
Oh my God.
Cycling.
From Bombay to Delhi, he goes cycling. Like,
Yeah,
by
3
pedaling.
days. And they did like a relay, and then he did a tour of Nilgiris one year. He just went to Sikkim like a couple of months ago. Like, the man cycles a lot.
Does he have like 10 abs or something? Like, what is that, dude?
I don't know what he's on.
Quack Doc is ripped. I can actually confirm that.
Yes, Trivik is my dad's #1 fan. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, every time I talk to Trivik, I look at my dad. I'm like, that's your #1 fan, father.
Oh, man.
I mean, and it's like Trivik really changed. We went from 38 YouTube subscribers to like, I think like 260 now.
Oh, man. Anand Daftar is very cool, man. You're the
Her
daughter
dad is cool. She has a cool dad. Let's make that very clear.
Okay, cool. Sorry, what are we?
Most memorable.
Christmas. Yes, what not?
Yeah. So for me, it was so Chak De had just released that year, and I was fairly young. I was like 7, 8, I guess. Should be more than that. But so I was really into the hockey phase at that time because the movie was really good. Like, I really enjoyed the movie. So that year, I had told them from I think October-ish that I wanted a hockey set for Christmas.
Okay.
And you have to tell this to Santa that I want a hockey set. You have to tell him because I don't know how I can talk to Santa. So the morning of Christmas, I checked my youth stocking thing, and they had a hockey set for me. And
wow.
I at that time I did not know it was my parents because I used to believe in Santa. But yeah, I think that was the coolest Christmas.
You're like, Santa's also a fan of Chak De? This is so cool.
He listens to me. My parents talk to him.
Yeah, it's so sweet. Yeah, that's so nice. Did you guys ever write wish lists for Santa?
Yeah. All the
No,
time.
never.
This is the problem I have. Like, for like Christmas, for birthdays, for anything, the entire year I want so much stuff, and I have like a billion things that I want. And when the time comes around that I have to actually put it down and I actually can get it, I just blank out and I can't think of anything that I want.
Like for me, it's like, would I like to have like something? Sure. Do I need to? No. And then like the Maru in me kicks in and is like, go to sleep. Don't spend money. So
don't spend Santa's money.
Yeah, like cheap people. Let's go.
Okay.
So like it doesn't work out, and so then like I said, I love gifts, but like it's too much. Like, I don't want people to go through so much like mehnat to like make it happen. It's like, it's fine. I'll live without it.
That's so cute. I'm very moody. It always depends on what I'm going through in life about the gifts that I want. So it could be a cycle today. It could be a trip to Bangalore tomorrow. I don't know.
Sorry, there's somebody at the door and like there's nobody in the house. So I need to like get it. I don't know who this is.
Well,
This is Santa. He's come early this year.
It's Santa.
Ho, ho, ho.
An old white man is at her front door and she's home alone.
That's a movie, yeah.
Kavya, what is the best gift you've got? I think.
Okay, the most memorable gift I've gotten. So I don't remember most of the gifts I've gotten for Christmas, to be honest. This was one that I got after I realized Santa wasn't real. And the reason I got this, not because my parents wanted to give me a gift on Christmas, but because I was going for a holiday.
They were really trying to prove, no, he's real. Guys, come on.
No. I was going for a holiday with younger people and they believed in Santa. So my parents could not give me a gift.
Yeah.
So cool. I got a neck pillow, I remember. For Christmas once, and that's I mean, it's not like it's a great, like a memorable gift, but it's the only gift that I actually remember getting.
Yeah,
that's pretty cool.
Zara, do you remember any gifts that you got?
The hockey set. I think that's the only thing I remember.
Okay, cool. I remember that Santa thing. I got a couple of Hot Wheels a couple of times when I was younger. A couple of action figures, but yeah, the Santa figurine really sticks out in my head.
I was when I was 5, I was in my grandparents' house and they were giving away like things to the Raddi, I think.
Yeah.
And there was a doll in that, and I fell in love with that doll. I took it home. I like treated it like an actual kid, and then at one point it got lost. And I was a mess. Like, I was crying and I was sobbing. And then a couple of months later, I forgot about it. And then for Christmas, I got the doll back. Like, that was my gift. Like, I don't know what my mom must have done to look for that.
Yeah,
like,
okay.
Maybe your mother stole it. Maybe your mother stole it.
I gave back on Christmas. Yeah,
No, but like
she's
I
been a good
genuinely
child.
thought I'd like lost it somewhere, and then for Christmas I got it back, and I was like, Santa really does have magic in him.
Oh, that's
Oh,
so
yeah.
cute.
It's very cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, either your mom is really impressive that she looked at
Or
searched the
she's
entire
like,
house.
oh, she should
Or she's
join
like a
Raw.
mastermind. She's like,
She should
yeah,
join Raw like today.
yeah.
It was a doll
Exactly.
called Abigail. Don't ask me why. Like I was obsessed with that doll.
I
to
would be
another
scared
level.
of a doll called Abigail. I feel like Abigail.
They
would,
are pretty scary now that
I feel like
think of it.
Abigail would try to smother me while I was sleeping.
My great grandmother
Stay away
used
from
to
Abigail,
own.
everyone.
My great grandmother used to like run a stuffed toy company. So we used to
Wow.
have like these really random like stuffed toys lying around the house, which is like kind of concerning. And like there's this fun Raggedy Ann doll, and that doll gives me nightmares. Like I made my parents shut her in a cupboard. I was like, I can't see this thing.
It's funny. Okay, wow.
Yeah.
I've never been scared of dolls and all, but I love those movies like Chucky and all.
Yeah.
where
yeah,
Dolls
me
come to
too.
life.
No, I hate those
Okay,
movies.
no,
I love
let's
Those movies,
not.
you know,
So you-
once I watched that the Annabelle movie.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I was shipped
So I was in Goa.
Uh-huh.
I could not sleep, and my sister, she came, like we were in Goa, right? So I was sleeping in a room with so it was recent actually.
Mhm.
Me and my friend Kabir were staying in one room. She and her best friend were in the room upstairs.
Yeah.
She came down and she started scratching our door.
Hilarious.
It was
Oh,
2 in
so
the
funny.
morning.
So funny.
I'm not joking. I almost pissed myself.
That
It
is
was
so
so
funny, dude.
scary.
Genius, that is, dude. Wow.
It's
I
not
would never think
genius.
of
It's
that.
so she's so mean.
It's so great.
She's
I can't
insane.
But I've done something like this.
You
I've
have?
done something like this.
Like
yeah.
what do you do?
So we used to stay in a joint family, I think, until 10-15 years back. So my chachi, it was the middle of the night, I think 3-4 a.m. And I had gone out of my room to the washroom or something. And then I was getting bored. I was not able to sleep. So I was just walking in the hall, aise time pass. Kya karna? And my chachi woke up and she was going to the bathroom. She came back. And in the meanwhile, I thought, let's scare her. So I
Okay.
took a stool. I stood outside. So there's a pillar kind of thing. And you come from here, basically. So I just stood on the stool and I had long hair, like till my waist, the
Okay,
hair.
wow. Okay.
So I just put my neck on the side. And the only thing you could see is hair,
Wow.
long hair. And she
Oh,
got
God.
so scared. She
I'm sure.
almost got a heart attack. And she screamed so loud. Everybody around us, like my neighbors had to come and ask, are you
That's
okay?
so
what
funny.
happened?
Oh man.
But I had so
Yeah.
much fun.
Yeah. God. You know, there's an actual doll that exists, by the way, that is supposed to be haunted. Like famously, there's I think it's called Bob the doll. If you just search for something called Bob.
Oh.
I'm not
don't
searching
make
that
it search it
up.
up.
We're not
Yeah.
searching
I'm
it
gonna
up.
do
Those are
that
correct.
right away.
But
No.
it's a doll that has been on the news multiple times. People owners of the doll have come on the shows, like on TV shows, news channels and all, talking about it. Is it called
Well,
Bob the
if
doll
it's
only? Is it
really-
looking it up? Zalak?
Well,
Yeah,
if it's
yeah, yeah.
really, well,
So-
if it comes in the news next time, you can hear all about it on news.
Yeah. No, but this is crazy.
Vlog.
Okay, this is crazy. I'll tell you one crazy thing. Since you're talking about, I don't know how doll you're talking about, but so they one of the first time the owners of at the time owners, and since then it has changed hand, it has been sold and resold and whatever. People are trying to always pass on the curse. Is what supposedly the story behind this doll is. Okay, the first time these people came on a TV show, with the doll, the owners, the then owners, they sat the doll in like a chair. Okay. And at some point in the interview, the chair starts moving, the chair starts rocking by itself. Okay, it's like the timing of it is insane.
This gave me Enid Blyton vibes, and Enid
Yeah.
Blyton is not
Yeah.
horror.
And it Blyton, famous 5 Secret Sevens. Yes, I read a lot of them.
We love the
Yeah.
famous files.
Yeah. Hey, are they still a big thing? Famous
I
5?
don't know.
Yeah.
I
I think they used to be when we were
when
younger.
when I was
Yes,
Yeah.
when I was younger, like
Back in the
now,
day,
no.
you know.
Back
Yeah,
in
yeah.
the day.
Exactly. I read all of them. I always wanted
do you-
Golden Spaniel is the coolest dog. The Secret Seven had a Golden Spaniel dog.
yeah.
Yeah.
Coolest dog. Anyway, yeah, Zalak, please go ahead.
I was asking, do you guys have Christmas parties at school?
Oh, that's a good question.
So our school is kind of small. So like it varies. Like some grades have 3 children, some grades
Huh?
have 15 children.
Wait,
Some grades
that
have
grade?
3
in
children?
the end, yeah, the 11th grade has 3 children.
You don't mean
Um,
section, you mean grade.
The grade,
Yeah.
the entire, they're passing out is gonna be 3 kids. It's not very hard to be a topper.
Oh, good lord. Or you can always come third, man. You can never come
Yeah.
last.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Oh, that's
it
great.
does vary like based on it.
So how many people in your class?
9.
What is this? How is
Kavya
this
has
school
like
surviving?
20. Kavya has like 15. 16.
15, yeah.
What are your fees like in lakhs and lakhs and lakhs? Like
No,
how
so
is
the
school
thing is
surviving?
like the older classes aren't as filled up. The younger classes are like completely filled up. So like
Ah.
now the 6th and 7th, they have like 30, 36, 40 kids.
Oh, that's good.
Um,
But in the entire grade.
Yeah.
Yeah, the entire grade. Yeah, we had like sections of 4.
Yeah, I know, I know.
sections.
Yeah. So
35,
like my
40
previous school, there used to be like 38 into 4. So like almost 160 kids into like the entire one batch. Like,
Is this better? Is this like fewer students better for you?
I mean,
Does this work out?
I think that kind of works with the school's philosophy and stuff like that. So
I think it has its like there's just something things that you get with small
with
amount of
having
people
a
that you
smaller
just
class,
can't
like
get.
on the education
Yeah.
level, like the general overall like focus of learning is different. I think as you get older, especially with like COVID now, like you feel that there's like a gap, like socially speaking, because it's like 8 kids and then you're all 8 kids. Like I've known these kids since I moved to this school when I was in the 4th grade. Like I've known them
Yeah.
for a really long time. So beyond them to like have like to meet other people or do different things, it can be like a little bit annoying. But I think a lot of that is just a product of a pandemic because like we haven't gone out anywhere. There's
Sure.
nowhere else to like meet people.
Yeah.
Going back to the original point, up until I think like 7th grade ish, before COVID hit, there would be this kind of Christmas stuff. Maybe not a party in specific, but I remember in the 5th grade, like everyone had to bring one food item in the school,
Ah, that's
and
cool.
we all laid it out. We had a Christmas party. We watched something. We all a couple of the girls brought in Santa hats for everyone. It was really fun.
That's fine.
Before that, we used to do secret Santas with food, where you had to prepare something for your whoever's name.
Yeah, we did that one year.
But yeah, I think there have been Christmas parties, but they've not exactly always been Christmas themed. There has just been parties.
Yeah,
with-
I think it's
during
just
Christmas.
also like it's just a very I don't know. I feel like we've only started going out like in the last 2 years, and then the last 2 years have just been completely
Yeah.
like shut.
Oh man, I can
So I
imagine.
haven't been able to like now we go out, now we go for like a party, but also like a party with like 9 people. But it's a party.
Okay, fair.
Did you have Christmas parties, Antari?
So I was in boarding school for 2 years. Okay.
Okay.
And we had like some cool traditions in boarding school. Like I remember so we had like some of our teachers were Christians and they were part of the local church or the church group or whatever you call it. And so during Christmas time, they would get their carolers and come onto campus and they would sing the usual English carols like this fa la la and Merry Christmas and Santa's coming to town, whatever. But they also had Hindi carols, which is the first time I ever heard some Hindi Christmas carols, dude, which is very interesting.
Legendary stuff.
There used to be
Yeah.
the Santa Claus is coming to town. The Hindi version used to be there, or the Jingle Bells Hindi version used to be there in our school.
No, this
That
is
was cool.
so that's the first place I learned that Jesus is called
Yeah, that's
Yeshu in Hindi.
Yes, it
No
is.
idea.
He
Really?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeshu.
Yeah.
And there was a song which went. Okay, that's funny. But there was a song which went something like "Neele आसमां के पार जाएंगे, मेरा यीशु रहता वहाँ."
Okay,
Wow,
this
that's
doesn't
very
sit right
deep.
with me.
Yeah.
I think
That's
it's
very
just-
I think
Sure,
the
sure,
song can be easily exchanged with Ganpati's. It's
With
basically
what?
Ganpati's name. Instead of Yeshu, it'll still be same.
Oh, okay. But why are we singing that on Christmas then?
I mean, no, you get what I mean.
Ganpati runs this town now.
Sure,
Christmas.
that's true.
Yeah,
We used to have Christmas party too, but we used to have it class wise. So you do whatever you want in your own classroom. So I think some 10th graders or 9th graders used to call for DJs. Some
What
people
in
used
their class?
Yeah,
If you're not in the
We
class,
would
no,
love
not
that.
allowed. Sorry,
What
sorry.
school did you go
Yeah,
to? What
no.
is this God school?
What?
This is SSA board. So I
Nobody
think
cared.
everyone
Like
knows,
the
yeah.
speaker wrote it.
Yeah, and it was allowed. So some kids got their DJs, some kids got pizza.
Yeah,
some-
DJs.
Yeah.
There are multiple DJs on the same day in different classes.
Yeah.
And
And
kids
imagine
have
that
sound
this is
bleeding
happening in
into
the
each other.
morning.
And
Imagine
people
this
have-
happening in the
That's
morning.
hilarious.
and people have their DJs. Really?
Private,
Yeah, with the
personal
setup.
I mean, the entire class will
They
hire.
can
No,
like the
they're-
entire class is like
The
DJ
entire
Vada
class
Babu.
will contribute and
Yeah.
get it.
Now we just need Trivix's Vibes Evolved playlist.
No, this is Trivik making his career decisions right now. Like, okay, I gotta be a DJ now. Get up.
No, you know,
I always be employed on Christmas.
I genuinely used to take DJ classes for 2 days,
Really?
but there was
For
no
2 days, guys.
No, the school-
There's no really in
So
that.
the school had a club, right? The school had a club, and they had a DJ
Oh
club.
yeah, I remember
No,
this.
no, there was one participant. There was me.
Yeah, oh you
But
right.
like, who
Wow.
made the spinny,
Now,
the
Did you
spinny
lose?
things? right?
Did you still lose or something?
No, I finished first, top of the class. The
Yeah, I
same.
mean, yeah.
Not very
There
hard.
was literally one person in that class.
You don't have to mention that.
Oh, it's cool.
But now, like you don't need all that like equipment and the spinny stuff. You just need Spotify and like a
Yeah.
speaker.
And like
Vibes
yeah,
evolved,
and even
everyone.
like DJ Mix,
Yeah.
not IZ or something like that. Like my
Yeah.
friends and I used to like use that, and then she had these like weird watercolor speaker things which would like show color. We were like, oh, so cool. And then we used to go and like her mother's birthday party, we DJ'd when we were in like the 4th grade.
How cool. Yeah.
So we just talk about, I think we've talked a lot about Christmas traditions. Oh, I have one more interesting story. Did you guys ever go to like church and mass and all during
No.
Christmas Day?
So I used to live on Mount Mary Hill in Bandra,
Oh, okay,
which
cool.
is
Yeah,
it
right
is
there.
right near the church there.
Yeah.
My Didi was Christian. She used to always go to church on Sunday. She would go to mass and stuff. So I have gone twice. One Christmas I went unintentionally because I had spilled, I don't know, some kind of tradition, but someone spilled really hot tea on me and I was like 6.
Okay.
So
So you went to
I don't want
ask
church to pray.
God,
I don't
please protect me, God.
Yeah,
This hot tea
exactly.
is really hot.
No, I actually had to. And then I have gone for the Christmas mass just once. I think it was a good experience. I don't remember much of it, but I'm sure it was a good experience. But I did grow up with a lot of that, the Christmassy stuff around me based on where I lived, because this was it was Mount Mary Hill. That was the name of where I lived. And
Okay.
so it's very,
I used to go to like a school, like it was a Christian school. It wasn't a convent school, but like it was an Anglo-Scottish society school. So like I was part of the choir and I knew all the hymns and like it was quite entertaining. So like yeah, we used to do that. And I also lived like 3 minutes away from a church. Like it's not a Christian area or anything, but it's just there is a church like over there.
Okay. Yeah.
So, but like my nanny and I used to always like whenever we walked back and forth, we used to always go and see like the manger. Then we would
Oh,
thought it was
nice.
very cool
Wow.
for doing that. So that was like I don't know, it's this weird one like strange thing we do. And then we used to buy these like really cheap Christmas trees that you buy at like a stationery store, but they're like really ugly. Like they're really ugly. And I used to think I was so cool for decorating it.
But
And
they're
then
small
this-
ones or like full size
No,
ones?
they're like Kavya sized, but if you don't know how tall Kavya is, they're like about 2 or 3 feet. Kavya is not that
Kavya is
short.
not.
Just for the record, she's not a midget.
Oh.
She's not that short also. But so we used to do that. And then this year my mom looks at me, she's like, do you want to decorate a tree? I was like, Mama, it's just so ugly. Like, why are we going to waste so much time? And it's so ugly. I was like, I'll buy like Santa hats and stick them around.
Yeah,
I
stockings and
have not
Santa
done
hats.
that. I haven't
Yeah.
done that though.
And that candy cane thing. that
See,
you-
again, like
Yeah.
there used to be this like fair at the race course we used to go to, and then we used to like get like Christmas stuff, and then it's like, oh damn, Christmas stuff, let's go.
Yeah.
But it's so like I haven't even gone. Yesterday I went to like Fab India, or not Fab India, it's H&M or something, and
No, you can say Fab
Yeah,
India.
like-
Are you just making up H&M? We get it.
no, they're not.
Fab India is the actual
I went to
answer.
both.
We get
I
it.
went to
We
both.
get it.
But Fab India did not play the thing. Listen, I'm sitting in like a full-on suit. Okay, it is from Fab India.
Okay, that's
So
fair.
the point
No,
being,
no, that suit is from H&M. Don't lie to us.
okay, sure. The point being that H&M was playing like Christmas music and I could not deal with it. Like I just had to buy a pair of jeans and I could not deal with the Christmas music. I was so done with it.
What about you, Kavya? Did you ever go for church or mass?
No, I've been to like I've never been to a Christmas one.
Okay. Oh, okay.
I've been
okay.
a couple of times just like that, but not for a Christmas one.
Okay, fair. So I also haven't been, but I have the story about. So I was in Goa for 2 years. Okay, like so I was 2 years in boarding
you
school.
lived
and
in
before that-
Goa. Oh,
Yeah, again, I was a kid, 7th and 8th standard. I always, dude, that's a great.
7th and 8th standard in Goa.
Yeah, it's a
That's
kid.
that's the
Did
dream. That's
nothing.
it.
Yeah, that's terrible. Dude. Terrible time. But I love saying it like that. I always say, hey, I was in Goa for 2 years. Like, what? You live in Goa 2 years? Yeah, I was in 7th and 8th standard. What? You were in 7th and 8th standard? Okay, that makes
You
no
had
sense.
it. You had us in the first half.
Yeah, exactly. That's exactly it. So anyway, so I was in Goa for 2 years, and I would always go. So I had a lot of Christian friends in Goa, right? And in my same school, and I would always go to my friend Warren's house for Christmas. Every Christmas Eve, at least the 2 years that we were there. I guess it's twice I went. I was checking every Christmas Eve.
Wow.
Yeah. So I went to his house. Yeah, and one of the years that we were there, so they would always he would get dressed up in a suit and all whatever, and they would go to church and mass, and I would just stay over at their house while they're gone for like a couple of hours and just eat like good food and all. 1 year though they did not go. Okay. And his mother was like a good piano player, so she would like play piano, and we were all singing carols and all and dancing and stuff around. And I remember this is like a famous story in his family. That's why I'm sure it's fine. Basically revealing it. He had like a hot aunt, okay, who was like really beautiful, man, really pretty. And I'm like 8th standard kid, and this woman's like married and like older and all. And apparently at one point in the thing, right? You know how like when you're standing at the sides of a circle, the circle inside, people inside the circle are like dancing. And people inside the circle
Yeah,
then want
yeah.
others to dance, so they start pulling people in,
Yeah.
right? So apparently, like Warren's mom came to me and tried to ask me to dance. I didn't come. Warren came and asked me to dance. I didn't come. Then this woman comes and asks me to dance. I'm like, yes, let's go. So that's like become a very
How old
famous
was she,
movie.
by the way?
I think 40s, look like 40s.
And you were 13, correct?
Yeah, I was like 7th, 8th, whatever that age is. Yeah. I was really aiming above my.
All about the standard.
Yeah. I like older women.
It's okay. It's all in the confidence.
Yeah, exactly. I didn't.
Yeah.
That also didn't work. So, all right. So let's take another break here, and we'll be right back to talk about our favorite Christmas movies.
Hey, it's been another great week on the IVM Podcast Network. On Advertising is Dead, Varun talks to Anmol Gill, Head of Consumer Marketing at Bacardi India. They discuss the alco-bev industry, role of culture and marketing, and a whole lot more. On the Storytellers and Storysellers podcast, Vineet talks to Ambi and Bindu Subramaniam about the Sapa School of Music. They aim to make music learning more fun and accessible. Why is Google refusing to pull down a pro-suicide website? The Press Decode hosts analyze this piece of news. On Ikka Dukka Economy, Abhinav and Dr. Bharat Junjunwala cover everything there is to learn about IPOs. And on Say No to Drama, Chetna talks about how what-ifs could be a major barrier to most of your problems. Do follow us on social media. We're IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And remember, if you're enjoying this show or any of our other shows for that matter, please do tell a friend. Go check out our YouTube channels. We go live on a whole bunch of different things. We have a number of different channels. You can find them on ivmpodcast.com/YouTube. And finally, we'd like to thank our sponsors this week. Cred, Bank of Baroda, CoinSwitch Kuber, Intel, and Oxfam India. Thank you for making this possible.
And we're back on IVM Likes with Kavya, Anya, and Trivik, and of course Zalak, my co-host. We are talking about our favorite Christmas movies. Okay, let's start off with, we all know Home Alone is a great Christmas movie.
Yeah.
We're all going to talk about it at some point.
Definitely.
Yeah, so let's just get that out of the way. Home Alone is a great Christmas movie.
It's
Home
the
Alone 1
best
and
Christmas
2,
movie in my
I would say.
opinion.
Yeah,
You
it's
think
amazing.
It's
I
not
like-
the
I
best
like,
Christmas
3 the most though.
You like 3 the
movie.
most?
Three.
I
I don't
Two.
even think I
like
haven't
one.
seen even one of them. Like,
Oh wait, no.
start to end.
Wait, three's the one with a different
Yeah.
actor. Wait, no, I like one the most. With the three,
I like
the
2.
chip in the race car, I like that one.
Okay. No, did you just say you've never
That's-
seen Home
that's the
Alone,
second
Anya?
I've never I've seen it in bits and pieces on Tata Sky, but I've never
You've
seen
never
like
seen
any
Home
of the
Alone?
movies from
You've never
beginning to
seen Home
end.
Alone. You've
And then
never
my
seen-
classmates started.
You've never
Anna,
seen Home
listen.
This is
Alone.
concerning.
Wow.
Yeah, this is thoda like
I've
we need
watched
to.
like half also. I've watched in bits and pieces the New York
Anya?
one,
Wow,
and then
this is
even like last
this is
week,
news, guys, for news
Anya,
kids on the block. Anya
Anya.
has
Breaking news. What is that?
Anya, I get you want to be quirky and different, but this is taking it a bit too
Anya.
far.
yeah.
Just because you don't watch Home Alone doesn't mean you're not like other girls. Okay.
God, but like I don't know. I think they even tried to make me watch it last week, but I shut it down.
What do you mean
And
you
then-
shut it
You
down?
shut down Home Alone. Oh my God, you shut down Home Alone?
Why would
Can
do
you
that?
remove her from this call, please? It's fine. She has somewhere to be.
I have to be honest. I'm really bad at remembering like which one is which. So which one is the one with the chip in the race car?
I
Chip
think
in
that's the
the
second
race
one.
car.
Second one is New York. I'm pretty
It's
sure.
in New York. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
New York
second one is
The-
New York.
The race car thing is in the New York one, you know? Is it not?
No.
What am I remembering? Okay.
The race car thing was in the first one. There,
First
where-
Yeah, that's
New
the
York one
yeah,
was
that's
he
the
went,
first.
They bring it to the house.
he got sent on the wrong plane. And then
Yeah,
he-
that's the one. Correct.
the hotel one.
Dude,
the hotel one.
great parenting. They
Yeah.
don't even realize ever.
World
Wow.
class.
Yeah. Crazy.
No,
But
I was just saying that they came up with which Home Sweet Home Alone this year. which,
No.
What?
Yeah,
No. You
which time?
never try to
can't.
drag out something. Yeah.
Yeah.
I read that
that's
they
really
were
bad.
like renting out the Home Alone ka house. You could like buy it for like a night, rent it for a night or something for like some $30.
Oh, wow.
I would
But
totally
That
do
I
that.
know.
Okay, I have two questions. Have they firstly cleared out all the mess Macaulay Culkin made? Because if they haven't, I don't want that house. Yeah, they have? Okay, thank God.
They have.
Okay, it's for you to set it up again and recreate.
That movie really inspired me. Like I was very interested in now creating like obstacle courses that would like
Obstacle
get people.
courses?
Yeah.
No, like you know how like
We
a
call
setup
contraptions,
trap
right?
kind
Yeah,
of
there are
thing.
co-
Yeah,
basically
like all those
contraptions.
kind of things.
No, so when the first time I watched it, my best friend Kabir and I were already into these kind of, like extreme sports where we'd zip line from the top of his bunk bed to the like bottom using a rope.
Yeah.
So we knew how to make these kind of things, right? And we made a slime bucket and we put it at the top of his door, and it was meant for one of his parents to fall trap to it. But so we were sitting there watching something on his laptop for a while. Dan TDM, very good Minecraft YouTuber.
Okay.
Of course.
I wanted to eat those ragi bites. You know those
Yeah,
like
correct.
chocolate filled ones, and he used to
Yeah.
always have them.
Mhm.
I mindlessly walked to the kitchen as I always do. It is the cause of most
Oh,
of my
God.
downfalls.
Oh God.
And
It
you
falls
were
flat on my head, and I'm not even. I lived like a good 20-minute drive away from him. Okay,
Oh God.
I was covered in slime, no clothes, no change, nothing.
Yeah.
And we set up the tap. I fully knew it was there, so no one was pranking me.
Yeah.
I helped put it up there.
In a way, that's funnier than it happens to you.
It's
only.
not fun. It would be funnier for the people who it didn't happen to, but
Of course. But in hindsight, it's hilarious to you also, I'm sure.
Yeah.
You look
yeah, I
like,
guess looking
okay.
back now,
Yeah,
funny
correct.
story indeed.
Yeah. I mean, I'm actually kind of glad it didn't happen to the parent now. Poor parent.
But no, it's
Trying to
not
be
like
a good parent.
it would have been quite fun.
I'm sure. But
It was.
it worked out. It worked out for the best.
But no, yeah, that is
for your
yeah.
friends. That's a greater memory for your friends, I'm sure. that they're able to tell. So okay, Home Alone's one. What else? Anya, any other Christmas movies that you're a big fan of?
Oh, no, not really.
That's fine. You don't have to be, man.
I mean,
it's not
like I don't
Yeah.
watch. I've not watched a lot of movies in my life because they're like too much commitment to like sit for 3 hours.
Oh, okay. Fine.
So as a result of which, like, yeah, my movie knowledge is like really problematic. But then like one of my closest friends, she's like a huge Bollywood fan. So now I know all the Bollywood references, and I genuinely listen to all the music. So I know all the references, but like I've never seen the movies.
Okay, but the Wikipedia pages of these movies didn't help you out? What?
Yeah, they did. I read the Wikipedia page also.
Oh, no, I'm talking about the Wikipedia pages of Christmas movies you could have read and then like,
But
hey, the
I don't
Wikipedia
know,
page of
like,
this
I
movie
can't
was really
think-
good.
Like if I think of like I've seen the Grinch. I
you have
think
seen
I've
The
seen
Grinch?
part of it.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
yeah.
think I've definitely seen part of it.
This is
because one year
classic.
I think
It's
my
a great Jim Carrey classic.
It's quite
by the way.
something, yes.
Yes. Have you seen like a Christmas Carol? That's another Jim Carrey. like,
There was this movie, Harold and Kumar Christmas. It's quite
Yeah,
something. It's
that's
really
hilarious.
quite something.
yeah,
Yeah.
correct. Absolutely.
That was fun. My dad and I watched that a couple of weeks ago.
But dad and you was Harold and Kumar.
Yeah,
Your dad
I
is
don't
too
know.
cool. Yeah, what?
My dad is really
Dog,
like
that's
another
Everyone
trip.
go look at Quack Dog on Instagram. He is literally
Man
the
is
coolest
just built
person I know.
different. Man
Wow,
is
dude.
built different.
You know, he's like a doctor, a stand-up comedian, a
Wait,
funny
your dad-
guy in general.
Who is your
My
dad?
dad is cooler than me.
Her
What's
dad
your dad's
is
name? Daftari? He's a stand-up comic?
Aditya Daftari.
Is he a stand-up comedian?
He had a phase.
Oh, okay,
He
wow.
like,
dude.
have you ever seen those videos of like that Baba guy like talking like Rustam ji, and then like there was one about Geo that went like really viral.
I'm not sure. I'm
I have,
sorry,
I-
Mr. Daftari.
Yeah, okay, like that's him.
Okay.
We're not Parsi, but like that. Yeah, that's him.
Okay.
he is
Okay.
damn funny.
Interesting.
Quite an event.
He
My
is
father's quite
he
the-
is quite literally. You know, you say that you can say you're not that guy, you're not this guy, you're not that guy. He is quite literally that guy. He is.
Is
He
that
is the
think-
man. He's the man.
I think Anya's father's YouTube channel is going to be Trivik's recommendation for today's
I
episode.
I think it should. Yeah,
Yeah.
he
Okay.
just like
I'm
has
already
really
subbed.
makes sense.
I'm already subbed.
Yeah,
I don't go to the recommendation page. I go straight to his channel.
yeah.
What about you, Kavya? Any
I like I mentioned before, I'm not a huge movie watcher.
Yeah.
I watched a few Christmas movies, but none of them like stand out.
What?
What?
I would say Home Alone. Like Home Alone would have been mine.
Okay.
Yeah.
But since you
That's a
already talked
great.
about that,
That's a
yeah.
great classic for sure. I would agree. What about you, Trevek? Have any?
I was gonna say Die Hard, but I don't want to.
But please absolutely say Die Hard, man. It's a great Christmas movie. It's
Die
always a great
Hard
action
is-
movie, but turns out it's a Christmas. You know, I found out literally in the last year I realized that Die Hard is a Christmas movie technically.
So my
Uh,
friend. Yeah, continue.
Yeah, no, because there's like Christmas carols going on in the background almost a lot of the movie, at least in the beginning. When you enter, they have a Christmas party. That's the building that they crash basically. That
Yeah.
right, that basically a Christmas party going on in the building at the
Like a
those
Tommy
terrorists in the
Plaza.
blue. Yeah, so that's insane, dude. That it's a Christmas
It
movie,
is.
but and also one of the greatest action movies ever filmed.
It's an unorthodox Christmas movie for sure. It's not.
Absolutely. Yeah.
It's not your traditional have marshmallows with hot chocolate and cuddle up under the blanket with
Yeah.
your loved ones movie.
Yeah.
But it is definitely one of the greatest action films ever made. I agree with you on that. My friend and I actually watched it last year on Christmas for the
Oh.
first time. Young boy still. Now I'm 14. I was 13 then.
Young boys
So-
like the football team.
There is a football team called Young
I
Boys.
know.
It's
Aren't
not-
you proud of me for knowing
Not
that?
really, but
Okay.
Yeah, I'm proud, man. I don't know that. I just found
Me
out.
neither.
Trivik
But-
like has converted me. Like I had a
How
football
old are they?
team.
How old are they? Are they like 50-year-olds? They call themselves young boys.
there is a 36-year-old, and he still, they still beat
It's
Man
one of the
United.
young ones,
So
yeah.
they still beat Man United. So
They young
see,
boys
I see.
beat Man United.
yes, sir. And they drew the other match.
Okay.
Oh damn.
Wow, dude. Young boys.
Really
okay.
sad for my
Young
close
boys
personal
coming
friend,
through.
Yeah. So
Rezu boy.
Yeah.
Also Kavya's close personal friend. But
Yes, Die Hard you saw.
regardless, yes, Die Hard. It was an amazing movie. I watched after I watched the first one. I wanted to watch the others. I did,
Yeah.
but nothing could top.
I think the second one is still alright. The
And
third one is
second
not great.
Yeah, the
4.0
first one,
again is okay.
4 was.
Dude, it was like way outlandish, but dude, there's a scene where he crashes a helicopter with a car, which is awesome.
It
That
was.
scene is
No, I just
great.
love the action in that thing. It was just constant fighting. There's not all this
Yeah.
rubbish where they go do all their love Ravi. Well, there is, but like,
Yeah.
it's not. It's
The one with
mostly
Samuel L.
the
Jackson is pretty fun. The
Yeah.
A Futile
Yeah.
and something. What is that?
No, but
Oh,
I
Good
think
Day-
it
Good
is-
Day Die Hard. Yeah.
It is a very good Christmas movie. People
Yeah.
don't recognize it as a Christmas movie, but it is the Christmas movie. And I think Die Hard 1 is the best one. I would still say.
I would agree.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Die Hard 2 is quite good, but 1 is just unmatched. And it is definitely there is the debate on whether or not it is a Christmas movie, but if you're counting it, it is unorthodox, but it is definitely for me at the top. It is a super movie, might even be better than Home Alone.
Whoa,
that's
that's a bit of a
It's high praise.
That-
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I like to be quirky,
that's a
different
bit
from
of a
otherwise. You know.
Okay. What about
Yeah.
you, Zalak? What
For
what
me, it's this movie called The Holiday. Cameron Diaz, Kate Winslet, Jude Law, Jack Black, sorry. And it's basically about Kate Winslet, I think, stays in the UK and Cameron Diaz stays in the States, United States.
Mhm.
And they basically switch houses for Christmas. It's
Wait.
a very good movie.
How are they friends and they switch houses?
No,
Is
no,
this
they're
like
just
a thing?
strangers and they give each other their houses. So Kate Winslet has this cute little cottage situation in a village near London.
Only houses though,
And-
not
Yeah,
like
only
families.
houses. No,
Not-
only houses, and
Hmm.
they stay alone. And Cameron Diaz has this huge, massive villa type of a situation in LA, and like that lives basically change after that, and they fall in love with their friend. Basically, it's a good Christmas holiday love story ish.
Okay.
Yeah, it's my comfort movie.
All right. Any others? Is this your favorite one?
Home Alone, yeah,
Home
Home
Alone
Alone,
for sure.
and Holiday. Yeah,
Okay, I think we're all in agreement that Home Alone is
Home Alone is
Yeah,
a great.
that's-
it's there, but
I guess.
I think except for
I
I feel like my Christmas movie, if you will,
No one
is
should
like,
ever take
is like my
anything Anya says
India
seriously.
Australia test matches. Like that's my Christmas movie.
don't take Anya
Um,
seriously, anybody.
So I would
Okay.
say for me, Home Alone, of course, and Die Hard, yes. For me, though, my favorite Christmas movie, I would say, is a movie called Jingle All the Way. Have any of
not
you
seen
seen
it.
this?
Nope,
No.
never
It's
seen it.
starring Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Mhm.
Amazing.
I think it's like a 96 movie or something. Starring Arnold Schwarzenegger, Sinbad. Sinbad was and still is a stand-up comedian. And yeah, it's very funny. It's basically about Arnie's character's kid. Arnie is Arnold Schwarzenegger. Arnie's character's kid basically wants this highly sought after toy for Christmas. It's called Turbo Man. It's like a figurine. Okay, it's like this action figure of this superhero called Turbo Man. And this Arnold's character is trying to get that for his son, but it's like nowhere available because it's all sold out everywhere he goes. And finally he hears about this one place that might have it, and then it's like a journey to get to there and then get back. It's like a whole thing, and it's funny and it's very heartfelt. And there's like a whole superhero sequence at the end where Arnold dresses up. So there's like a parade, a Christmas parade going on, right? And Arnold dresses up as Turbo Man, through a sequence of events which I won't reveal here. And then there's like a flying sequence and like a fighting sequence, like a whole thing, and very fun. Go check it out. Jingle All the Way.
It's kind of like a Bollywood movie.
Yeah, other than that, another movie that I really like, but that movie gets a lot of hate because I think it's like, I don't know, like 25% on Rotten Tomatoes or something. But I love it. Okay, it's a movie called Fred Claus. It's played by Vince Vaughn, who plays the character Fred Claus. Basically, he is the brother of Santa Claus. Okay, and
Okay.
he goes. The premise of the movie is that the brother of Santa Claus, Fred Claus, goes to visit his brother Santa Claus in the North in
Pole.
the Arctic, right? In the North
Yeah.
Pole. Yeah, he goes to visit him at the North Pole, and things happen, and he ends up injuring Santa. Okay, so he has to
Okay.
take over for Santa for like the next 2 days till Christmas is around because someone has to deliver all these
That's
presents.
actually
That's
that's
interesting.
you know what? Christmas 21 plan sorted. Definitely.
Okay,
be giving
that's
that
definitely not gonna happen. But thanks for saying that.
Yeah. I just did it.
Definitely not gonna watch that movie. I just said it was 25%
Is
Rotten
it-
Tomatoes.
wait, is-
There's no way I'm gonna watch that movie, buddy. What do you say?
No, you know what? There are so many movies which I like that are rated.
Dude,
poorly
yeah,
by the
yeah, I
public.
know.
Like
There
for
are
example,
quite a few.
that the first Venom movie, I loved
hated
it.
that movie, by the way.
I loved it.
I don't like it.
Everyone, Rotten Tomatoes, like 40% on Rotten Tomatoes. I love that movie.
Really? Okay, but that happens. Yeah, correct. And then I get very pissed around. Like, how come
exactly.
Rotten Tomatoes? What the hell? But that's about it. I think we've covered all the movies we want to cover.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yep. We just have to come back after this short break with some great recommendations. And that's about it.
Have you ever wondered where the business world is headed? How the ways in which we create, market, and sell to consumers will evolve? Or if we'll ever go back to wearing pants while working? For answers to all of this and more, tune into Advertising is Dead with me, Varun Duggirala. Every Tuesday, as I talk to entrepreneurs, leaders, and change makers from across business, media, marketing, and beyond. You can catch all episodes of Advertising is Dead on the IVM Podcast website, app, or wherever you get your podcasts from.
All right. And we are back talking about some recommendations for this week. Let's start with Kavya. What would you like to recommend?
Okay, so I tried to think of something that wasn't Taylor Swift, and but I really had I had like a perfect thing for this. So I'm gonna stick to the Christmas theme, even though it's not like a guideline. But I'm recommending a song called Christmas Tree Farm by Taylor Swift. It's basically, she grew up in a Christmas tree farm, so it's basically about her experiences there. But the reason I like it is because it's just the lyrics and the melody and the instruments, they all just give a very Christmassy, jolly spirit kind of thing. And it just really summarizes what the spirit of Christmas is really about, and what you feel when you think of Christmas, and the moods and the sounds and the foods that you eat. So that's why I think it's really it sums up Christmas really well, and that's the reason I really love that song. So yeah, go stream.
All right.
Yes, Queen.
In the Taylor's version though.
There's no Taylor's version.
Stream the normal version.
Yeah, there is.
Stream the normal version. Stream the normal version.
She released it, Kavya, 1 second. She released a Taylor's version on Amazon, like an orchestra version.
But that's also the one that she originally released, is also owned by her.
Oh, okay, then never mind.
Okay then. Okay, cool. So Trivik, do you wanna go next?
So I thought long and hard about what I should recommend.
Mhm.
And I'm going to actually recommend something for, I think most of our viewers are India, or listeners are rather India based. And India Christmases are not particularly cold, and you can still, it's not like you have to drink hot chocolate and stuff. But I'm going to recommend a drink which I make at home. It's derived from Harry Potter. It's called Butterbeer.
Okay.
And it is actually just a mix between vanilla ice cream, Sprite, and caramel sauce.
Also known as a float.
Really?
Yes.
Float and ice cream, yeah.
Well, whatever. It is, I call it Butterbeer, and it is
Wow,
amazing.
look at that. Trivik was just trying to.
I
thought
call
he
it
invented a drink.
I thought
It's been around for
I
years.
thought I was the owner of it, and
Trivik with the invention.
it's an amazing drink. It's honestly an amazing
We
drink,
have
and
some news for
it hits
you.
different. I always have it at Christmas. It's kind of a family tradition. It's there. Me and my sister make it every year, and it's amazing. Hits different,
Okay.
and especially if you are living in a country as hot as India is, you should definitely. Oh my God, Anya just private messaged me, sister, and I'm going to shoot you.
Okay.
Well, yeah, that's what it's an amazing drink, and I hope you all give it a try, even though I know you most definitely won't.
Hey, it's fine, man. Don't worry about it.
What can you do?
Anya.
I can't think of something specific, but I am really excited for 83, like to watch 83, the movie. Like I'm really hyped.
Oh, yeah, it's coming on 24th, right?
Yeah, so I'm super
Oh, man,
hyped
that's
about
got-
that, and I think it'll
Yeah,
be
yeah.
cool.
Yeah,
Also,
you're a new
like,
cricket fan, so it's like a whole new thing for you.
yeah, exactly. It's like so, and I've been trying to watch a movie that's gonna make me cry for like the last 2 years, and I just laugh at the movies. Like I can't. Like I watched Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum with my mom, and I was laughing the entire movie.
Oh.
My mother's sitting next to me sobbing. I'm like, why are you sobbing? It's hilarious. I can't. I just
Yeah,
want
it
to
was a damn
cry at
funny
the
movie, honestly.
It's really funny. Like just watch the movie and just laugh at it. I'm telling you, it's life changing. So yeah, 83.
I think now if I watch the movie K3G, I will laugh. But when I was
You'll-
younger, when I saw it first few times, I think I might have gotten
I couldn't like Kajol is just so entertaining in the entire movie. Like
Yeah, she is.
I can't. Anyway, so yeah, that's my.
All
Okay.
right. Zalak, what about you?
For me, it's a book called Cain and Abel.
You read still? Really?
Yeah, I mean,
No.
Books
See,
exist.
audiobook. She meant audiobook.
no.
Understandable.
So I think it's one of my-
Sorry, just to like throw this at Trivik is sitting in front of a bookshelf right now. So like really,
No,
really.
I've not read since
A
fifth grade.
single
That's just
one.
there.
He hasn't read a
That's just
single
there
one of
for-
those.
That's just there for
Seven
aunties
books.
and uncles who come over to think I'm
Right,
smart.
right.
He doesn't even know how to read, guys.
Yeah, man. What is
What is
DAGVL M-A, I don't know the alphabet and whatnot.
Very well done. Yes. Sorry. Zalak, you say.
Yeah. So Cain and Abel, it's basically about two boys, small boys. Actually, shit, if I say anything, it will be a spoiler. So I'm just confused. Should I say or should I not? So it's basically about two boys.
Your explanation on the book can't be there are two little boys. That's
and they live very different. They live completely different lives. Like
Look
one
at the
is
back
from
of
a
the
rich
book, yeah.
family, and no, I don't want to do that. That's a lot. So one is from a very rich family and like well-to-do and everything, and one has struggled his way from being poor to being rich and successful, and how they meet and how they find
It's
out
Judua.
they are related to each other.
It's the
He
movie.
No, it's not.
He glue up.
No.
The king glue up. King glue up. Homie glue up. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
These are-
basically this book. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
It's Christmassy related. Like,
No Christmas. Just a normal novel.
yeah.
Antariksha?
I would
Correct.
definitely be opening a book and reading that with my eyes, with words and long
That's
pages,
very cool, Trivik. I
chapters
look
and
forward
whatnot.
to this.
Man. Again, more Christmas plans that Trivik is not gonna keep. I would like to recommend, dude. We already talked about Spider-Man: No Way Home.
Yeah.
Again, huge recommendation to watch that.
We can. Is
But-
that a
Wait,
recommendation? Really?
this was
I feel like
called No Way Home. I thought
think
it was
everyone's
Far
gonna
From
watch it.
Home.
Oh my god,
Far From
Kavya, I'm
Home.
gonna
No.
cry. You make me cry. You make me so sad.
What?
You make me so
Was it No
sad.
Way Home like released like 2 years ago?
No, it's the
You
other way
make
around.
me-
Far
you
From
make
Home
me-
was 2 years ago. No Way Home is the current.
Oh.
Dude,
You
it's
make
all
me so
it's confusing.
sad,
I get it.
Kavya,
And I get
but-
That
confused.
I realize now that might have caused some problems and like
Not
offense
at
to many
all.
people.
Dude,
I'm
the
really
home
sorry.
home
Can't
thing can be
believe
confusing.
Louise
I
who
don't
chose
I don't believe you.
So silly.
But anyway, so
Yeah.
anyway, my recommendation was going to be Spider-Man: No Way Home, but we already talked about it. So, and that's not really a recommendation because people are going to be watching it by default anyway. What I would recommend is a YouTube channel called New Rockstars. Okay, they
Okay.
are basically like pop culture anime, not anime, sorry, comic book kind of pop culture channel. That anything that is happening in movies and TV shows and Marvel and DC and all that stuff, these guys are breaking it down and talking about it and what this could mean, and fan theories and all. It's damn cool. Check it out. New Rockstars. They basically, if you've seen Spider-Man, it's a great place to visit. If you've already seen the movie, because they talk about what Easter eggs maybe you missed in the movie, what the end credits scene was about, and what that meant maybe.
Half the people walked out before the
Dumbasses, dude.
Yeah,
Who does that? How do
exactly.
you not know?
Amateurs.
Still, yeah. How do you still not know where to stay like in a Marvel movie?
Amateurs.
God damn it, dude. But yeah, so just go check out New Rockstars YouTube channel after you go check out Spider-Man.
Yes, sir.
That's about it. Thank you so much, guys. Kavya,
Yeah, thank you so much
Trivik.
for coming on the show.
Thank you for
We had
having
a lot of fun.
Yeah. Thank you so much for having for coming on the show. What did I say?
Thank you for allowing me.
Thank you so much for coming on the podcast, guys. This is IVM Likes. See you guys next week. Bye-bye.
Working Monday to Friday glued to your chair making you feel dull? Worry not. Get your 5-minute weekly dose of travel around the world with Postcards from Nowhere. Join me every Thursday as I explore the strange, obscure, and fascinating parts of the world and bring out facets of travel you may not have thought of before. You can find us on the IVM Podcast app, website, or wherever you get your podcast from.
पेश खिदमत है आपकी शान में हमारे अंजुमन से हाय आई एम सदफ
एंड आई एम अर्शिद खाने का इतिहास इकोनॉमिक्स पॉलिसी साइकोलॉजी सब है मेन्यू पे
ओनली ऑन द नानकारी पॉडकास्ट एवरी वेडनेसडे सिर्फ IVM पॉडकास्ट ऐप या वेबसाइट पर या फिर जहां से भी आप अपने पॉडकास्ट सुनते हो